Hi, my name's Wylie. I'm 55 years old and I've been teaching yoga for 28 years. I'm very passionate about the effects that yoga and meditation can have on people's lives, and I'm honoured and delighted to be able to pass this knowledge on to you on my YouTube channel. Yoga can help you develop strength, flexibility, balance and calmness of mind. I release new videos every week, some meditation and some yoga. They're all free to watch whenever you want and as many times as you like. I want you to know that this is a community, not a one-way street from me to you. So I encourage you to communicate with me in the comments section below the videos. I love hearing from you. I always answer any questions and I do my best to make videos that are requested. So come and join me on your journey to wellness. Subscribe to the channel and let me know what you're interested in seeing next. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.